Ya me callo.
Okay, guys, this is going to be our class for today. We're going to perform our workshop about radical numbers and statistics. I don't know why I'm saying we, because it's you who are going to do this, not me. I'm going to help you, but I'm not going to do it. So this is your exercises. This is what we're going to do. We are going to find the result of these roots. We are going to find the mean, the median, and the mode for this following data set. And we are going to do table of frequencies for these 2 points. As you can see here, I give you a hint. This is the hint number 1, and this is the hint number 2. So you can know if your variables, if your data set are continuous or are discrete, okay? So thank you very much for your attention. You are so kind and so quiet. Oh my God, I can't even believe it. So good luck. And don't forget to subscribe. And remember to follow me and all my social media. You can find me by @Profe Julia. Bye bye.